Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, another brand new recipe. If y'all follow my cooking videos and stuff, you know that I like fried cabbage. So, went on the internet, put in fried cabbage. This recipe popped up. The ingredients sounded good, so I figured give it a whirl. Bring you guys along to see how it turns out. So, sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and I'll gather the ingredients and we'll show you what's up with this. Alright y'all, this is a pretty basic, simple recipe. What it calls for is a pound of bacon, head of cabbage, some fresh sliced mushrooms, and a little bit of Tony's Creole seasoning. You don't have to use Tony's. That's what I have. That's what I like. So that's what we're going to use. Recipe starts out, you dice the bacon up, fry it, get it good and brown, pull it out, drain it, use some of the bacon grease to saute the mushrooms, and then you got to chop this cabbage up, of course, and use the remaining bacon grease to saute the cabbage up, and then mix it all together, add some seasoning, and there you got it. So sounds pretty simple, sounds really good. So let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, got the bacon all chopped up here. We're going to throw it in the pan, get it cooking. I just took the whole pound of bacon and kind of sliced sideways across it, and just to get it chunked up. The original recipe said to fry it then chop it. I like doing it this way. It's a lot quicker, a lot easier, a lot less mess. So got that going. Of course, got the cabbage all chopped up there, got it ready to go. Mushrooms are already cut, they're ready to go. So I'm gonna throw a lid on this pan and we're gonna get to cooking here, and we'll bring you back when we get a little further along. Alright y'all, as you can see, that bacon's just a cooking away there. We got her going. So she's coming down real nice. Smell is awesome. Of course, it's cooking bacon. How can it not smell good? So, alright, we're going to keep on cooking, and we'll bring it back and get a little closer even. Alright y'all, bacon's still cooking. I got it on a low heat so I don't burn it, just don't want it crisp. But I did add some pepper to the bacon and some of the Tony's. The recipe says to add the Tony's after you get the cabbage cooked down. I'm going to try it, putting it into the bacon here, let it cook onto that bacon and, you know, bite onto that. So I may even add some to the mushrooms when I cook those, just because I want that flavor. So you guys can do it how you want. We're going to try this. If it works, that's how I'm going to do it from this on out. If it doesn't, then we'll try something different. But so, alright, I'm going to get this cooked down and we'll bring you back. Y'all, look at that goodness. Is there anything better than frying bacon? I mean, that smell. Whew, she's getting closer and closer. My belly's starting to grumble. Man, hope the cabbage and the mushrooms don't take too long. I might have to eat this bacon before I even get it in the rest of the recipe. So that's beautiful right there. So, all right, enough making y'all drool. I'll bring you back. All right, y'all, I got that bacon all cooked. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to this pan, just to try to get some of that goodness off the bottom. Just to get that goodness off the bottom there. And while that's still doing that, I'm going to throw them mushrooms in there. Let them start steaming. That way that bacon gets all up on them mushrooms there. Now I did reserve some of the bacon grease here, so I'll put a little bit back down in the pan. Get these shrooms all covered up with them. Get it all mixed around, get them all coated. Now the one, I did go back and look at the recipe because I felt like I was missing something. And I was. What I was missing was garlic. It says like one and a half teaspoons of minced garlic. I ain't got much left here, so, and I like garlic, so I'm just going to finish off this little jar here, which is probably a teaspoon or so, maybe a little more, but try and get all that goodness out of there. Yep, that looks good. Now I'm just going to mix that around. There we go. Once these mushrooms get sauteed up good here, we'll pull them out, and then we will add the cabbage to the pan. A little more bacon grease, cover it, and we'll cook it down. But you guys will have to wait on that. We'll bring you back when I get to that point. All right, y'all. Got these mushrooms all softened up, sauteed up there. Pull them out, put them in a little bowl here. Get all that goodness out of there. I call it goodness because that's all I cook is goodness. Now, I'm going to add just a hair more water to this pan. That way I'm going to heat it up here, get it good and warm. And then I'm going to add see it's starting to sizzle already. We're going to kind of steam this cabbage up. That way it cooks good. Alright. Got all the cabbage here in the pan. There's that. I'm going to throw a lid back on it. And let her cook down, and when she's cooked down, we'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all, this is about done here. That cabbage is good and soft. You can see it pulled up some more of that brown, the drippings out of the bottom of that pan from that bacon. But we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit more of this bacon grease around here. Maybe a little bit lot, but I'll toss it up in here. That way we get that good bacon flavor going here throughout the whole thing. Alright. Still got a little bit of liquid down there in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to let that cook off. And once that's cooked off, we'll throw the mushrooms back in there and the bacon back in there. And y'all, I can't lie to you. I had to try a little bit of that bacon with that Creole seasoning on there. Ooh wee! Oh boy, that is some good stuff right there. I'm telling you. But another thing too here, while we're waiting for this to kind of evaporate off, y'all get done watching my video, go over and check out my buddy Polly Detmer. Awesome cook, much better cook than me. He just moved back to his home state of Michigan, right outside of Detroit. So y'all check him out. Go over and give him a subscribe. You know, give him a like. Tell him I sent you. Really would appreciate that. He's a really good guy. He does, you know, mostly cooking videos right now while he's getting settled in his house, but he does do some small engine stuff and, you know, mechanical stuff too on the side there. So y'all just, you know, like I said, go over and check his channel out. Super nice guy, super great guy. One of these days, probably, hopefully, maybe next summer, I may make a trip up there to see him, and maybe we'll do some cooking together. You know, he does a lot of grilling, a lot of smoking. He got himself a pizza oven, outdoor pizza oven. Looks awesome, you know. So, like I said, please go over and check him out, and you know, tell him that I sent you. So, all right, y'all. I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit more. When it's ready, we'll bring you back. We'll add the rest of the ingredients, and we'll get this all this love together. You know, gang love here. Bring it all together. So, all right, we'll bring you back in a few. All right, y'all. This is cooked down a little bit, and I did add a little bit of the Tony's to the cabbage and a little bit of black pepper to it. Now it's time to add the bacon back in. Got that added back in there. Get that moved around there a little bit. Get that mushrooms put back in there. Now we just need to flip it up and mix it up. Oh. Ooh, all them smells coming together. Imagine what that flavor is going to be. Woo-wee. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's coming real nice there. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm going to let this warm up a little bit. Throw the lid back on here just for a few. And let everything kind of get warmed back up. And when we get ready to plate it, I'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. This is all warmed back up. I think it's ready to get a bowl full and give her a try here. So. Oh yeah, look at that goodness. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. The smell, woo, wee, telling you. I might have to get a little bit more. Oh yeah, we'll put a little bit more in there. Oh yeah. Alrighty, y'all. There we go. And get this off the heat over here. And we'll bring you all back here and do our closing. Alright, y'all. It's dinner time. We got the plate going here. We got the beverage of the day, which is, of course, brown mood juice. One of my favorites. A little drink of the mood juice there. We're going to dig into this here. Try to get a little bit of everything on the fork here. Ooh. Oh my. This might wake you up in the middle of the night wanting to get it back into the refrigerator. Woo. A little bit of spicy there. Got a great bacon flavor. Mushrooms added to it. Of course, the taste of the fried cabbage. Always a winner. Man, I think the next time I cook this here, I think my tongue's going to beat my eyeballs out of my head while I'm cooking it, trying to get to it. So, I might have another bite. Oh, man. So good. Y'all definitely have to try it. So, there we have it. The recipe called this Southern Fried Cabbage. Don't know why they call it Southern Fried, but it sounds good to me. So, that's going to go in the old recipe book. So, appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for, if you would, or thanks for stopping by. If you would, please, go down there, hit that thumbs up. I see a lot of people viewing, not very many people thumbing up. But, hey, thank you for the views. Appreciate that, too. But, if you're new to the channel here, go over and hit that subscribe bell. You know, and ring it. Hit the all. It's totally free. Doesn't cost you anything. But you will get notified of everything I do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, tractor pulls, maybe even out on the road. You know, you'll get notifications for everything I do. So, appreciate it. Thank y'all again. And as always, bon appetit.